Okay, for today's learning, we're going to learn a new operation. So we already know add. Can you show me an add with your arms? So an add looks like this. Today, we are going to start the operation subtraction. So if you think you already know what subtraction looks like, can you make it with your arms? What does subtraction look like? So a subtraction is just one line going across our page. So there is subtraction. We have different words that we can use for subtraction that mean the same thing. So for add, we could say plus, or we could say total. So for subtraction, we could also say take away. We can take away two numbers. We can also say minus. We can say difference. What's the difference between two numbers? And we can also say subtract for short instead of subtraction. So all of these words mean we are taking away, we're subtracting. And when we're subtracting, we are getting smaller. So the number that we are left with will be smaller than the amount that we started with. Okay, so you have 2 minutes now because you haven't got Deans at home. You have 2 minutes to go and find 10 pens or pencils, and they are going to be like your 10 sticks. So here are my 10 pens that I'm using as my 10 sticks. And then I want you to get something smaller for your ones. So you could either find 10 coins, or I've just used 10 bits of scrunched up paper. So go and find them now. If you need to pause the video, then pause the video. Okay then, once you've found your Deans, your pens are your 10s and your paper or smaller object is your 1s, I'd like you to start by making the number 25. So write it down on your piece of paper. So think, how many 10s are in 25? How many 1s? If you need to write your 10s and 1s above the numbers, then do that to help you. So under 25, I would have 2 10 sticks, 10, 20, and I will have 5 1s. So I've got 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay then, we're going to subtract. So that means we're taking something away, so we're getting smaller. So I currently have 25, but I'm going to take away 13. So I want to know how much I've got left when I take away 13. So I'm going to put my 10s and 1s above it to help me. Now, because I'm taking away, I'm not going to add more Deans on. They're going to be removed from my whiteboard. So if I'm taking away 13, how many 10 sticks am I going to take away? So I'm going to take away 1 10 stick. So that one's going to disappear. He's gone. He's been taken away. And then I'm going to take away 3 1s. So 1, 2, 3. They are disappearing as well. They've been taken away, which means they're gone. So then I know how much I'm left with is 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we're going to do one more of those together. So this time I'd like you to start by making 37. So with your Deans, your pretend Deans, can you show me 37? So I think, how many 10 sticks do you need? How many 1s do you need? Remember, with the 10 sticks, we're counting in 10s. So I need 3 10 sticks. 3 10 sticks makes 30. 10, 20, 30. And then I need 7 1s. I've got 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Right, this time, you're going to take away, so you could think of it as your adult is taking them away from you. They're disappearing. This time you're going to take away 20, let's go 25. So I'm going to put my 10s and 1s to remind me. So how many 10 sticks are you going to take away? how many ones are you going to take away? Remember, we're not adding any more on. We're only using the ones on the page. How many 10 sticks are you going to take away? So we're going to start by taking away 2 10 sticks. 1, 2. And then I'm going to take away 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then my total is how much I'm left with. So if I had 37 and I took away 25, I'd be left with 10, 11, 12 again. Okay, so for today's work, I'm going to give you 5 number sentences, and you're going to be able to copy these down from the video, and you're going to see if you can answer them using your pretending, so using your 10s and your 1s at home. So your number sentences are, and I'll read them out, 35 take away 21, 49 take away 16, 23 take away 11, 19 take away 10. So think about that one because we haven't got any 1s. We're only taking away a 10 stick. And 47 take away 24. So you can pause the video now, and that's